हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री के आज की डे 6 में हम जिस टॉपिक को पढ़ रहे थे यानी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, उसी टॉपिक से 45 नए क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे जो किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होने वाला है। इससे पहले डे 1 से लेकर डे 5 तक हमने इस टॉपिक से 220 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में अवेलेबल है। इसके साथ चैनल पर एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री नाम से एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बना दी गई है। इस वीडियो के बाद उस 5 वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिए। और आज के वीडियो के एंड में मैं इन 45 क्वेश्चंस में से आप लोगों से सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, जिनके सही आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन पर लिखकर बताना। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रांग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। First question: Where was a copper four-wheeled chariot or were chariot found? Correct answer: Daimabad. Second: Which animal figurines made of copper were found at Daimabad? Correct answer: Rhinoceros, elephant, and bull. Third: Where was the granary located outside the citadel? Correct answer: Harappa. Fourth question: In which sites of the Indus civilization were bead factories located? Correct answer: Chanudaru and Balakot. Number 5. Where was a copper bull figurine found? Correct answer: Kalibangan. Where was a bronze bull figurine found? Correct answer: Daimabad. Where was the earliest evidence of an earthquake found? Correct answer: Kalibangan. Where was evidence of a plowed field found? Correct answer: Kalibangan. Where were camel bones found? Correct answer: Kalibangan. Where was the system of wooden drainage and water management found? Correct answer: Kalibangan. Where was a copper dog figurine found? Correct answer: Lothal. Where was evidence of a gully found? Correct answer: Malwan. Where was evidence of a stone-covered grave found? Correct answer: Harappa. Which places were famous for bangle factories? Correct answer: Chanudaru and Balakot. Where was evidence of phallus worship or lingam worship found? Correct answer: Harappa. Where were modern measuring scales found in the Indus civilization? Correct answer: Lothal. What was the bearded man head from Mohenjo-daro made of? Correct answer: limestone. What is the male torso in the dancing pose from Harappa made of? Correct answer: grey stone. At which Indus site was evidence of street lighting found? Correct answer: Banwali. From which boundary site was a broken copper blade found? Correct answer: Alamgirpur. What was the largest among ancient civilizations according to geographical extent? Correct answer: Harappan civilization. How far did the Harappan civilization extend in western India besides the Indus River? Correct answer: northern Rajasthan and Kathiawar. Over what total area was the Indus civilization spread in northwest India? Correct answer: approximately 15 lakh square kilometer. What are the names of the two main urban centers of the Indus civilization? Correct answer: Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Where is the easternmost boundary of the Indus civilization located in Uttar Pradesh? करेक्ट आंसर आलमगीरपुर। Which river flows through Alamgirpur or the eastern boundary of the Indus civilization? Correct answer Hindan River. Where is the southernmost boundary of the Indus civilization located in Maharashtra? Correct answer Daimabad. Which river flows through the southernmost boundary of the Indus civilization? Correct answer Pravara River. Which is the northernmost boundary of the Indus civilization? Correct answer Manda. Which place is identified as the westernmost boundary of the Indus civilization? Correct answer Sutka Gender. On which coast is Sutka Gender located? Correct answer Markan Coast. On the border of which two countries is Sutka Gender located? Correct answer Pakistan and Iran. How many settlements of the Indus civilization have been discovered to date? Correct answer 1400. How many times larger was the Indus civilization compared to the contemporary Egyptian civilization in terms of area? Correct answer approximately 20 times. On the banks of which rivers were the Harappan cities mainly built? Correct answer Indus and Saraswati River. Which is the largest city of the Indus civilization overall? Correct answer Mohenjo-daro. Which is the smallest city of the Indus civilization? Correct answer Alladino. Which are the large cities of the Indus civilization within the borders of modern-day India? Correct answer Dholavira and Rakhigori. Where is the city of Ganveriwala currently located? Correct answer Pakistan. Who is the discoverer of the city Ganveriwala? Correct answer Rafiq Mughal. What is the name of the Indus civilization site located in the Jind district of Haryana, India? Correct answer Rakhigori. Who discovered the site of Rakhigori? Correct answer Rafiq Mughal. What type of civilization is the Indus civilization called? Correct answer Urban civilization. In which direction was the expansion of the Indus civilization greatest in India? Correct answer north to west. Manda is identified as the northernmost point of the Indus civilization on the border of which country? करेक्ट आंसर अफगानिस्तान। तो आज हमने इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन टॉपिक से नए 45 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए। तो चलिए आप मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए 3 क्वेश्चंस। पहला, व्हाट वाज द बियर्डेड मैन हेड फ्रॉम मोहेंजोदारो मेड ऑफ? दूसरा, व्हाट आर द नेम्स ऑफ द 2 मेन अर्बन सेंटर्स ऑफ द इंडस सिविलाइजेशन? तीसरा, Which was the smallest city of the Indus civilization? तीनों क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।